Whether you promote your Amazon products yourself or you give it to your influencers that are going to promote your account, well, you can actually have that promotion.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Be also an affiliate link, so you collect money on both sides. You can collect the revenue that you're going to get, and you can collect the affiliate commission. So the way you sign up to be an Amazon affiliate is you scroll to the bottom of their homepage, and then you find the affiliate link. It's really crowded here, and I don't want to read all of these. So usually what I do is I go to like affiliate, and you see become an affiliate. It actually wasn't even here, it was right here. So I would have been searching for a while. So you become an affiliate. If you're wondering if you can join, you should read this page, learn more. I'll give you the summary. They look for you to have, if you have a website, to be creating your own content, and if you're going to promote from social media, they look for you to have at least like 500 followers or something like that. They actually describe that here. I can make it bigger, but really you just should really read this on your own. And what they really look for is people who aren't just kind of spamming the web or writing useless content, but really people who are, they explain it. If you're a passionate reviewer, stylist, content creator, by the way, this is great for influencers, but even you, if you have that kind of content, that will bode well with them. And so they have their team review it. So even if you have all the credentials, they'll still go through a review process on their end. And if you get in, great. Then all the links can be affiliate links that you promote. So you collect affiliate revenue and purchase revenue. But if not, that's okay. You just collect the purchase revenue. But essentially, if this all works out for you, then you just click join now. And of course, you will go through their sign up process and all that. And then you would be part of their program if they accept you. I am now in the application process. After I logged in, I said, yeah, that's me. And then I go next. Then I enter all the information that they have about me. Then I go next. Then I enter my website and my YouTube channel. Then I click next. Then they ask if there's anything for children under 13. I say no. Then they ask me to fill out what my information on my website and YouTube is all about. And I say business and marketing. Then they ask me which of the topics describes your websites or apps. So you would say like, you would choose whatever is for you. So I would say business. Then I would choose a secondary topic. A lot of my content is educational. Well, sometimes it's books. So I would choose that. So then what are you interested in promoting? So books. Then they ask, what is your website about? I would say, it's a content site. And then I would say blog, something like that. How do I currently monetize? Then they ask, how do you currently drive traffic? So I say SEO. How do you currently generate income? So you say maybe e-commerce, online, commission junction, which is fine. Then you fill out the rest of these. This is pretty boring and standard. You just go answer whatever is right for you. Then you answer this CAPTCHA and you go next. Then there is an identity verification process. Basically, they're just going to kind of call and confirm that the number you gave them is right. So you'll do that on your end. I'll do it on my end. Then once you verified your PIN after they called you, you'll get a screen like this and they say, congratulations, everything's complete and you're ready to submit your application. Yes, you agree and finish. And you have submitted your application and you can enter your payment and tax information later if they sign you up. And you should get an answer from them sometime in the next day or 2 or 3. Who knows how long it takes them. But that's essentially the process. Pretty simple. And that's it.